Let's try new Samyang Buldak Mala style glass noodles. Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of yeeeears, Chemistry Mondays. Super excited to try these Samyang Buldak Mala glass noodles. I've done the rose already. Check that out in the link above. You'll know that I'm a really big fan of these new glass noodles that keep coming out. They are usually just available in the Korean market where I did buy these. I bought these from Korea, delivered them over to my house. I am super stoked to see what this chewy goodness is gonna be. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try.
All right, we've got our bowl of noodles here. We have our wonderful glass noodles, our buldak sauce, and we also have some pepper sauce powder as well. So we're gonna go ahead and add the noodles to the bowl. We're gonna add in our signature buldak sauce, and then of course we're gonna top that off with some, those are flakes, my bad. Our flakes, gonna add the water to the fill line. We're gonna cover that, pop that into the microwave for 2.5 minutes, let that cook. And once that's all done, and of course be really careful when you're opening it, it's gonna be very hot. Gonna give that a stir, separate the noodles, and voila, here we go.
So this finished product, let's go ahead and give it a try. Dang, this is a flavor that I definitely miss. So way before I started my YouTube channel, Samyang Buldak came out with this mala flavor that I didn't know was limited edition at the time, but it was limited edition. This was like maybe back in like 2015, 2016 or so. And if you've never had that flavor, it's the same beautiful sauce that we have here, but with a ton of Szechuan peppercorns coming right at you. So if you're not familiar with Szechuan style cooking or Szechuan peppercorns, it is responsible for that tongue-numbing, tongue-tingling spice. It's just so super tasty and dynamic in these noodles. Not only do you get that signature fiery buldak sauce, but you also get that tingly feeling on your tongue that is just lingering, and that really kind of goes hand in hand with the heat. Heat, I would say, is very similar to the original hot chicken ramen, to the black one, but you get that lingering spice, which is super nice. It makes you want to keep eating and eating and eating. It definitely turns up the heat in that kind of sense. I do find that there is quite a bit of sauce in this one. So I found that compared to the other ones that I have, this one retained a lot more of that liquid, which I like, but of course by the time you're done eating it, it's gonna soak it all right up for you, which really penetrates the noodles. And of course, if you've seen my other glass noodle reviews, this is like a semi-translucent noodle, and this kind of noodle is usually made from vegetables, so like a bean thread, mung bean, sweet potato, and it comes with a really super high chewy texture, which I am obsessed with. It's super great. It's a very neutral noodle that takes on whatever sauce that is penetrating it, which in this case is a beautiful mala flavor. Very tasty stuff. I do love the option of the microwave cooking. It's super easy, just 2.5 minutes. Water up to the line, very obvious. This one does come with some flakes as well, so flakes that you would commonly find in like a soup noodle. So you got some cabbage there. I did see some red pepper flakes, and I want to say carrot, can't confirm, but it's nice because it really has that like hot pot or even a dry pot Szechuan signature taste to it, which I really like. I'm just really sad. I really would love this flavor to come back to North America. Samyang, if you're listening, please bring this flavor back. I forgot how much I loved it. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 4.5 out of 5. I'm a super big fan, and would I buy this again? Hails yes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. See you next week. Bye!